Hi guys, today we are learn how to draw a world map easily by graphical method. Friends, first we are draw a rectangle. The rectangle length is 23.5 centimeter and width is 18 centimeter. After this we draw the equator line. The equator line distance of the rectangle is 11 centimeter. After this we draw two lines from equator, take 1.5 centimeter distance. After this we draw also two lines of equator, take 6 centimeter distance. And last we draw a 0 degree Greenwich line. Friends, we are starting to draw our map, the 0 degree Greenwich line. We are drawing start on the lower of rectangle and think shape of Antarctica and go upper the 66.5 degree south the Antarctic circle and draw it. After this we draw a small part of Antarctica of left side of 0 degree Greenwich. Later we are draw the 23.5 degree south the Australia continent. The 23.5 degree south is cross Australia middle, and we draw the New Zealand and a small part of Oceania. We are drawing the short part near the Australia, and after this we draw the Africa continent near the 0 degree Greenwich and 0 degree equator. We draw it down and give shape and go up across the equator and 23.5 degree north. We go to the right side and give shape of India and easily draw the shape. We are think the world map and we are cross the 23.5 degree and get the line up of 66.5 and draw the Russia. After this we draw the line 66.5 degree north above and give shape of Asia and Europe continent also. Guys, think the shape of Europe and we are getting very well map of world and we easily draw this if we think that I am do this. After this we cross the Greenwich line and draw the England because the Greenwich line is cross from England. After this we draw the Mediterranean Sea and it is very simple to give shape them, and finally Africa, Europe and Asia is complete. After this we draw the South America. It is very easy and we are draw this. We take lines above the 0 degree and give shape of South America. We cross the 23.5 degree north and we are easily give shape the North America. The North America is located in 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north. We give shape easily and guys think what is the shape of North America, and if you think about the shape you are draw easily this map. And after this we draw the left part of North America and the North America is complete, and we are also draw the Greenland, the big part of world map. Give shape and keep the line up near the rectangle's upper line and 0 degree Greenwich lines near and give shape the Greenland. The Greenland is ready. After this we draw the small part of map also, because the small part is give beautiness of our map, and we draw the small part because there are the main part of world map, and we draw it easily. This is not very hard to draw the world map. If you think you are do this, after you do this, and when theme of this map is draw for school and colleges, we are draw it easily. And after draw this map, you give different color of continent and oceans, and the last we are draw the seas, and our world map is complete easily. So guys, thank you very much for watching.